Carver number 12. Barnow. Okay, on this little owl right here, let's start it out at 200. Hit 2 and 2 and 2 and 100. Give $50, get it going. Hit $50 where? I want to be hit there now, 50 now, but at 60. 50 there now, but at 60, but at $60. 60 now, but 70. I got 60 here now, but at 70, but at 70. And now, but at 80. Now, but at 80, but at 90, but at 90. I got 80 there now, but at 90. Now, but at 100, but at 100. I got 90 there now, but it'll buy him 100, but it'll buy him $100. I got 90 right there now, but it'll buy him $100. You all done at $90? You sure? You all done? There's $90 now, 100. He's bidding. You can go 100. You got 90 right there. You got to go 100. 90 there. You got to go 100 now. You got to go 110. I got 120, 130, 130, 140, 140. He wants it 130, but at 140. 130 there now, but at 140, 140. I got 130 now, but 140. Anybody else want to get into this? So right there, $130. You got it. By a number 112. 112. Carver number 1. We got a bear and a log. Oh, that's kind of great. Look at that. On the bear and the stump, let's start it out. And what's the Carver number? Carver number 1. Bear in the stump, let's start it out here now, but at 300. Get 3 and 2, and $100 to get it going on that bear in the stump. I get 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 70, 80, 90, 2, 3, 210. Oh, it's got the 300. Got you scared, eh? 210, now 220, now 230. We're getting up there, 240. I got 230 there now, but at 240. I got 230 right there now, but at 240, but at 240. Are you bidding? I got 230 there now, but at 240, but at 240. I got 230 here now, but at $240. Last chance. Sold right there, $230 to buy a number 85. Buy a number 80 here. Let's start it out here now, but at 200 here. Hit 200 in that one. Give 2 now, but at 2 and 2 and $100. Give $100 that bear, get it going. Give 100, give $50, start it out, bid 50 now, but at 60. 50 there now, but at 60. 50 there now, but it'll buy him at 60, but it'll buy him at 60. 50 there now, but it'll buy him at $60. 50 there now, but 60, but at 60. 60, now 70. 80, but at 80, but at 90. I gotta go $90. I got 80 here now, but at 90. You gotta go $90. 80 there now, but it'll buy him at $90. 80 right there now, but at 90, I got now 100. I got a 90 here now, but at 100. I got a 90 there now, but at 100 up here. 100, 110. I got 100 here now, but at 110. Now 120. 120, I got 110. I got 110 here, now 120. I got 110 now, but at 120, but at $120. You'll have all done 110. So right there, $100 and buyer number 85.